Hey guys, welcome back to the Credit Card Blueprint. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the most popular credit cards in the United States. This is the Apple credit card. We're going to be talking about the pros, the cons, and everything you guys must know about this card, answering that main question of, is this card worth it? And if you guys think it is, I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can sign up. So click that link and guys, let's get started. But before we do, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that like button, subscribe. I appreciate you guys doing that, and let's get started here. So what is the Apple credit card? So this is the Apple card. It's backed, actually not by Apple, it's backed by Goldman Sachs. That's how it works. Now the thing about this card is this is created by Apple, powered by an iPhone. What this means is it's all integrated right in here, right in your phone, to make everything easier for Apple consumers. Obviously, with this card here, in my personal opinion, they do a great job of having very good fraud prevention for this card. There is no physical numbers on this card, which makes it super easy to change the number if something happens to it. And if you lose the card, you don't have to worry about people getting a hold of your number on it, because you can instantly change it. It's honestly really cool. I use this card quite often, to be honest with you. When I'm on the go and I don't have my wallet, I will use this card here. Now, the reason why I love it is there's no fees. Obviously, there is going to be an APR just with any credit card, pretty much the interest you're paying, but there's no annual fee. There's no over the limit fee, no foreign transaction fee, no late fees, which is awesome. At the end of the day, credit card companies are trying to suck as much money out as they can of you. So it's nice that there's no fee or anything, so you don't have to worry about it. As long as you have auto pay set up, you'll be in a great spot. Another thing here is they incentivize you to pay less interest. Now, I know that sounds a little crazy, but we'll talk about it later on how this actually works. Now, why a lot of people love it is you get unlimited daily cash. So there's a lot of really cool things that this card offers, like savings. They offer Apple Cash, but more importantly, they offer bonus daily cash for certain stores. We'll talk about it here in a second, but you guys can see on all of these right here, you guys will earn 3% back, obviously on all Apple products. So that does include services like the App Store, like Apple Music, Apple TV. You'll get 3% back, but also on all of these, like, for gas, mobile, Panera Bread, Uber, Walgreens, Ace, and all these others, which is really cool. And if you use your phone for the, contactless payment, the Apple Pay, you guys get automatically 2% no matter where you're at. So if you use your phone, you get 2%, which is really good for a card, honestly, that has no annual fee. Now, this card, this is what I mean by this card is pretty sweet. You guys can get a savings account with this, and you can pretty much take the daily cash you get, put it in a high yield savings account, and it'll be like a little backup, a little emergency fund that you guys can use. You can set up, automatic payments. You can set up everything right in your Apple wallet, which is cool. So you can also connect to some other banks to build your savings a little more quickly than just the cashback. Now, another thing that this card offers is the Apple Card family. So Apple Card family brings all the great features and benefits of the Apple Card to your entire family, whether that's your immediate family, extended family, or pretty much whoever you want to call family. It allows two partners to merge credit lines to form a single co-owned account, manage that account together, build credit as equals participants 18, anyone 18 or older can start building their own credit history, and teens can learn better about spending habits, and family members receive that daily cash back that we all like. So a minimum of 1%. You guys get 1% on just daily swipes, 2% on contactless, 3% on select stores. So just keep that in mind. And you guys can see who is spending the most with this family card. I think this is cool. If you guys have kids, you can start teaching them, credit cards and stuff like that. So another thing here is you can pay for your Apple products over time interest free. Obviously, they incentivize you to buy Apple products. I do think if you already use Apple, maybe this is a huge benefit to you. If you want that new phone, want that new laptop, the Mac, all that. If you buy that stuff already, maybe you could get a lot of value out of it just paying over time interest free. Now, this is what I mean by budgeting. Budgeting, they want you to pay it off. So they actually have this like wheel here where you can adjust your amount that you're going to contribute for the card for that month. So if you want to pay no interest, you just want to make sure you bring it completely around. It'll kind of show you minimum payment, avoid most charges, and so it really helps you keep track of certain things. Also, it breaks down the categories for your spending habits. So maybe you want to learn about budgeting, so you can see, okay, I'm spending a little too much on food or entertainment, or whatever it may be here, which is honestly really nice. It's really nice to see that. Obviously, this card is going to make money somehow, and this is just like any old card that if you don't pay it off each month, you're going to get hit anywhere from 19 to 29% depending on the card holder's credit score. Obviously, what this card is incentivized for is Apple users. If you're not an Apple user, I wouldn't even recommend this card. It's going to be way too hard to pay it. It's going to be hard to even use the card in general. So if you're an Apple card holder, or if you're an Apple user, I would benefit from this card. Leave it in your Apple wallet for emergencies or something like that. Maybe you buy the new iPhone, the new Mac, then you could get 3% back right off the get-go. So that's what I think about this card. I use it actually quite often, which is cool because I have a new phone, and then I actually have 2 MacBooks. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want this card, I'll put a link to it down below where you guys can sign up. I think you guys may earn some money from signing up. So click that link. I'll see you guys in there, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and take care, everyone.